Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix bugs and glitches in the WhatsApp app on iPhone. So if your WhatsApp is crashing, messages are not sending, media is not downloading, or the app is freezing or lagging, then don't worry. This simple method can help you fix all these issues very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. First of all, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Now here, look for iPhone storage and tap on it. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone loads all installed apps and storage details. After that, scroll down and find WhatsApp from the list of apps and tap on it. Here you will see an option called Offload App. Go ahead and tap on it and confirm your action. Don't worry, this will not delete your WhatsApp data, chats, or media. It will only remove the app files temporarily. Once the app is offloaded, you will now see an option called Reinstall App. Tap on it and let your iPhone reinstall WhatsApp again. After reinstalling, open WhatsApp and log in if needed. Now check your app. Most bugs, crashes, and glitches will be completely fixed. This works because it clears corrupted system cache and refreshes the app files without deleting your personal data. If you are still facing issues, then you can also try these extra steps. Restart your iPhone once. Update WhatsApp from the App Store. Make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you can fix WhatsApp bugs and glitches on iPhone very easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.